Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying drivers and system patches because mismatches often cause spikes. You need a trustworthy baseline. Measure GPU utilization, memory use, temperature, and power draw with a monitoring tool for 5 minutes. Once done, stop any non-essential background apps to reduce noise while you test. Enable detailed driver and application logging so you can correlate events. This initial step both limits variables and creates data you will use to identify the true spike triggers. You now dig into profiling to find which processes or kernels cause bursts. Use a per-process GPU profiler to capture latency and memory copies. Compare patterns across several runs to separate intermittent spikes from sustained load. Once you see the culprit, experiment with driver-level controls. Adjust power limits, switch scheduling modes, and toggle debug flags to test impact. Make one change at a time so you can attribute behavior shifts. Record each test result for repeatability and rollback if needed. You implement the chosen mitigation. Apply driver or firmware patches, throttle offending processes, optimize memory transfers, or pin workloads to specific GPUs or cores. Then validate by running representative workloads for an extended period to confirm spikes are resolved under realistic conditions. Make sure to document the final configuration for deployment. If you still see spikes, enable advanced tracing to capture low-level events. Revert recent changes one by one, and use your logs to escalate to vendor support if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.